Save a lot of time with this excellent whole cheese cutting solution. To achieve this, unnecessary hole cutting is minimized. Do you often cut whole cheese? Then this is the absolute solution. Bacon Disc Sprayer, a clean method to coat a fine layer of cold liquid on food products. Whether it's applying a thin layer of cream on your favorite cake, sprinkling crystallized sugar on sugar cookies, or topping streusel on your morning baked goods. Beautifully shaped meatballs with maximum roundness and efficiency. Giving you a new perspective on the food production process. Conveyor belts are not only a part of the production process, but also a symbol of modernity and automation in the food industry. Combining automatic features, Appetizer not only saves time and effort, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity in the cutting process. This helps optimize production productivity and ensure product quality. PronStack Packaging Machine is a reliable choice in optimizing product packaging processes in the food industry. With advanced technology and automation features, PronStack not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the packaging process. PronStack's versatility allows it to quickly and accurately process each type of product, from frozen to fresh, without damaging or creating unevenness. Looking at these delicious trays of fresh meat, do you want to cook them? The delicious flavor, the softness of the meat, and the freshness of each piece of meat make us unable to help but dream about the delicious dishes that will be prepared from them. From these rich pieces of meat, we can create countless delicious dishes, from stewed, grilled, stir-fried to fresh sashimi. SealPack A7 Tray Sealer with Smart Conveyor is a reliable solution for packaging steaks and other meat products. With advanced technology and smart features, SealPack A7 not only helps increase productivity, but also ensures quality and uniformity in the packaging process. The Clygia forming machine with automatic lining feature is a unique and convenient tool in producing delicious and attractive Clygia cakes. The combination of modern technology and smart design helps the Clygia shaping machine operate powerfully and effectively. Looking at these funny panda-shaped cookies, do you find them adorable? This is not only a funny decoration, but also a symbol of joy and warmth. Looking at these cookies, one cannot help but feel happy and cheerful. When you experience each piece of Namook cookie, you will feel the delicious taste of almonds and the sweet taste of sugar and honey. This perfect combination makes each piece of cake a unique and wonderful enjoyment experience. A multifunctional and efficient device that produces small cereal bars with high quality and uniformity. The variety of designs and sizes of cheese drawers allows you to organize different types of cheese with ease. From hard cheese to soft cheese and processed cheeses, spices, at the same time, displaying cheese on a tray also creates an interesting and attractive space, making it difficult for people to resist the visual and taste stimulation. With a large cheese tray, serving and enjoying cheese is simpler and easier than ever. Look at the big pizza. You not only feel the appeal of its physical beauty, but also the great taste it brings. With a thin soft crust, covered with a layer of rich golden tomato sauce, the pizza is truly a work of culinary art. Looking at the round ravioli, you can't help but be amazed at the meticulousness and sophistication in the making. Each noodle ball is meticulously handcrafted from thin and smooth layers of bread, then stuffed with a mixture of fresh ingredients. When enjoying, you will experience the unique deliciousness of the rich flavors, and you will not be able to resist the appeal of these soft and rich noodles. The flexibility and variety of the robot allows you to choose burritos with many different ingredients and flavors, from beef, chicken, soy to vegetables and sauces. This customization capability helps meet diverse customer needs and deliver a rich culinary experience. Various colored cakes not only create